Not the best spot in the world, but it works for us. We like Thai style. Okay, we're out of here. I don't feel like we've got the safest crew here. I'm going to be really happy to get to shore. This thing is leaning dry. Hey, if this thing goes over, get as far away from the boat as you can. Not to keep the boat, but people are going to be trying to grab a hold of it. Good morning everybody, Paige and Chuck here. We are leaving the island of Koh Samet this morning. It's really rough out here, but the sky is clear. Today I think is a full moon.
Yeah, full moon.
But it's very rough out here. And we got to take it's not a very long boat ride, short boat ride back to the mainland and then head to our next adventure. So we're headed to a place, it's pretty well known, but in English it's spelled Prachinburi. But if you want to know, it's not actually Prachinburi, it's Prachinburi. Prachinburi is where we are headed this morning. And I'm not a teacher. Of course, if you want to be a teacher, you have to have a bachelor's degree to teach in Thailand. But I'm just saying in Thai language, Prachinburi is the name of the town in Thai. But we're headed to a place Paige wants to check out. It's a herbal museum. Sounds like a blast. We don't have much planned this evening. We are headed into the town, but we are actually working our way back to our home base. So we got to get back for Chinese New Year, or the Lunar New Year. In our house it's called the Chinese New Year because my mother-in-law is Chinese. And so yeah, we got to head back for that, and then we have our annual Temple Festival coming up, but I'm sure we'll be doing a few things before we head back to the States in a month from now. So let's go meet up with Mitch and Dow, have some breakfast, and get on the rough ride back to the mainland. Good morning. This is a really cool island, not a very big island. You could go rent a motorbike and see the whole thing pretty quick. Not much, but a few viewpoints, resorts. It's just a place to relax and sit by the water. The water is beautiful. The sand is the whitest I've seen anywhere in Thailand. It's just a lovely place. On the weekends, a lot of Thai people travel down here from Bangkok, so it gets a little busy on the weekends. It's going to take us about 5 more days, I think, to get home. We're not in a big rush since we don't have a lot coming up, but I do need to get back to Mom. It'll be about 3 weeks, I think, since we've been gone. And then this next little trip will be the second longest period of time that we're home because of the holidays and the festival. Well, that's the first time in a long time I've got my food first. I must have had it already, right? Good morning, sunshines.
Good morning, sunshine.
You guys ready to go back to beautiful Pattaya, or Jomtien, I should say?
Oh yeah, I just was so excited I couldn't sleep last night.
I know it's much better. There has everything, you know, to offer in that area, but it's good that you guys got to get out and see other parts of Thailand. It's good to get away every now and then, so you can, you know, go back to what you really love and, you know, appreciate it more. Jomtien. Just kidding. I'm only saying that because you guys should, a lot of people that live in that area, they don't get out very much to travel and see other things, but this place is only, what, about an hour and a half away, something like that, from that area. Yeah. But beautiful place. was good. I'm full.
Okay. Happy?
I don't know if you can see that sign over there, but it says a service fee at that kiosk, 200 baht for an adult, 100 baht for children. I think they made it, probably tried to say baht, right? Not bath. That's a government sign though. Anyway. They're up at a bathhouse or something. Tourism is alive and well in Thailand, huh? You're Chinese, go. Maybe get us a free lunch. Okay guys, we're out of here. I will leave the link to this hotel in the description box. It was a very nice hotel. Bed was okay. Room was very comfortable. Excellent view. There's a lot of places to stay out here, but you know, this one was nice. And when we first got here, I was like, oh no, I was thinking it's going to be full of tour groups, but it wasn't. I think they're either staying out of town and coming in, or staying in town and just coming through here during the day. But other than that, we're going to try another spot next time we come here to Koh Samet. I don't know if we're going to make it back to Samet this year or not. We've got quite a few things on our plate. Our next island adventure is going to be Koh Chang and Koh Kut. So so we'll spend an extended period of time, and that probably when we get back from the States. So anyway guys, let's meet up with our friends, get on the Songtail, head to the pier, and work our way back to shore. It's been a good trip. Sun's out.
Sun out. We leaving.
Man, just flowing in here. Business is definitely good. Short ride down to the pier, 4 people, 100 baht. Oh. Bye-bye, see you next time. See that backpack right there on that guy? Oh, you can't see it at the moment. That guy, I think that's a perfect size backpack. I kind of make fun sometimes, but not really. Just kind of joking around. But some of these younger guys with the backpack that's almost the size of them, that's really overweight. Those are the ones that I can't really understand. But I guess some people thought that I meant just like all backpacks are weird. But you know, I mean, I carry a backpack with my computer, but you guys know what I'm talking about, the really gigantic ones, like you're gonna go off grid up in the snow for like a year, you know. Yeah, I would not want to be on a speedboat out there right now. Ticket?
Yeah.
Okay, chaos at the pier. Yeah, I don't know the whole dynamics of this, but I don't know why I didn't choke up on that to get it closer in. Got one guy out here on a wheelchair.
I'll see you over there.
Somehow there's a rabbit on the boat. I guess the guy's not all the way handicapped, so he probably could get on. Okay, we're out of here. I don't feel like we've got the safest crew here, but we're on a slow boat. They're trying to take off, and I forgot to have one more rope tied on the front. Couldn't figure out why it wouldn't back up. And his crewmates just over there making noise. What is going on? Jetty. Once we get over there, we'll be okay. Maybe.
It's not like back home, but no wake zone.
Yeah, there's no wake. There is no wake zone in Thailand. Well, today just wasn't that day. It wasn't our time. We made it. Alright, this is going to be really interesting. And in typical fashion, everybody's trying, we're not even really anchored in, and they're trying to get off the boat. I had to tell them like 5 times to sit down. We just hang back, wait, let everybody push their way out. All the Chinese trying to get out at the same time. Made it. Yeah. I think we made it a lot of luck. Just wasn't our time, I think. Well, I think a couple of scoops of water we'd have been finished. That thing's. Yeah.
I just like, I should have put everything on my dry bag.
Yeah, next time I'm gonna get a. They probably make a dry bag the size of a backpack. Thing, huh?
Yeah, they have bigger
Oh
ones.
yeah.
I'm gonna do that next time.
Up to
Yeah.
50 liter, and
You
I
just
saw.
jump off and you got flotations.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not that I'm so worried about my things, you know, I just don't want to go buy another $3,000 computer. Well, I don't really want to die either, but at least not like that. Well, I guess it'd be a way to go, huh? Let's get to the truck. Enough drama.
Dressed so fine, you threw the bumps of dime in your prime. Didn't you?
Well, that was a crazy ride. That was a fun trip, though. All in all, it was pretty good. The island was nice. Just a little overwhelmed with, and it's good to see tourism, you know, come back. But I do wonder. I wonder, like, you know, all those Chinese tours, like, what do they really give back to the, you know, to Thailand? They kind of stay together and they don't really roam around and buy a bunch of stuff, do they?
Some people do, but a lot of them, they just come here and eat.
Just come here and eat and stay
Yeah.
stay with the group, you know?
Yeah. There is a package.
Mm-hmm.
It's the same as Thai people go to Vietnam
Yeah.
or Laos, you know, everything on package and they just buy it.
In 600 meters, turn right.
Okay, next stop. We're out of here.
They were all kidding you. You used to laugh about everybody that was hanging out. Now you don't talk so loud. And now you don't seem so proud about having to be scrounging.
You want a hot dog for lunch? Psycho? Bottom quarter?
Bottom quarter?
Up to you. Okay, I'm at the little Chester's. I think there's one of these is going to pop into the mall where Mom lives, in the Robinson's Mall. But they got a lot of stuff on the menu that I know Mom will really like. They got spaghetti, a lot of chicken stuff, mostly chicken. And spaghetti, chicken burger, fish burger, all kind of stuff. And waffle french fries too. Anyway, been another thing for Mom to eat. All right. Chicken sandwich, Chester's. Yeah, very hot. And covered in mayonnaise. Not bad. Had waffle fries too.
How does it feel? How does it feel to be without a home? Like a complete unknown, like a rolling stone.
We have arrived. This place looks pretty cool on the internet. We need to rearrange our bag a little bit. This place looks like a long stay. On the internet, I see mailboxes.
Look, spicy crispy chicken burger.
Order now. This was actually pretty cheap. I think it was only like 800 baht a night. I'll put a link below. I always put the link below, and I always get people ask where we stayed, but it's in the description box. You just click on it, and then you can get the current price or put in a price. I mean, put in a date when you're coming, and it'll give you an estimate. But this is a nice room. Well, this will be the softest bed so far.
Oh, peekaboo. Hello.
Oh, we got a peekaboo bathroom and a bathtub. It's got a washing machine out here too. Huh. And our next few stops will have some opportunities to have our clothes washed. I like that. That's pretty good. This is a really nice hotel, huh? Let's ask the guy. What the cop? ห้องเท่าไหร่1 เดือนนะครับ
1 เดือนเริ่มต้น
เหมือนหา 25,000 baht for the month. Not too bad. We're gonna go walk around, try to find a little snack. We got here a little bit late, and we're a little tired from our trip. So there are a couple of hotels across the street from the, I'm sorry, a couple of restaurants across the street from the hotel. Sounds good.
ไม่เบียร์วุ้นวุ้นจริงไหม
มีไหม
วุ้นใช่ไหม
Yeah, just drink. They got frozen beer here. Okay. All right, there we go. Got some lot more. That looks really good. A little bit of sticky rice to make it not so spicy. Not the best spot in the world, but it works for us. We like Thai style. He makes this, it's like a moonshine. All right, that was a good little stop. Roadside. Actually, this was a roadside stop for sure. All right, guys, that's it. Tomorrow we're gonna wake up and head to that museum, right?
Yay.
What kind of? It's an herbal museum.
It's
Is it here or over there? It's here, right?
You have to drive a little bit. It's not
What?
in this town.
I understand, like it's not in a hotel, but
No.
it's not. Is it in Korat or is it in this town?
In Prachinburi.
Oh, okay.
It's
All
the
right.
first one
Oh,
in Thailand.
first herbal museum.
First herbal medication
Oh.
that is registered in Thailand.
I see. All right. Anyway, we're headed there tomorrow, and then we're going to Korat.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, had a fun trip. I hope you enjoyed this trip. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. If you got time, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you're still subscribed. We'll see you tomorrow on the next video. Bye.
I tried to get you out of my picture, but you already in there.
Okay, I'll leave.
With your big tummy and you're gonna be like, wee!